Samantala, tiniyak naman ngayon ng Embahada ng Amerika ang patuloy na pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan na sinalanta ng bagyo. Ayon dito ay nakikisa rin ang maraming mamamayan ng ibigay ng kanilang mga donasyon. Si Dina Pagibitan sa detalye.
Tiniyak ngayon ng Embahada ng Amerika na tuloy-tuloy ang tulong na kanilang ibibigay sa mga kababayan nating sinalanta ng Super Typhoon Yolanda noong nakaraang linggo. Una rito, isang araw matapos ang paghagupit ng bagyo, nagbigay ng $100,000 aid assistance ang American government sa bansa at sinundan pa ito ng $20 million para naman sa relief assistance. Sa ngayon, patuloy ang ibinibigay ng military assistance ng gobyerno ng Amerika sa mga apektadong lugar. Nariyan na ang may 10 C-130, 8 MB-22, 3rd Marine Expeditionary Brigade, gayon din ang kararating lamang na US aircraft carrier na USS George Washington at buong carrier strike group para tumulong sa relief operations na isinasagawa sa Eastern Visayas.
Large volume of assistance was pushed through to Tacloban. Now what's happening is the MV-22, the Ospreys, together with the helicopters from the George Washington Carrier Strike Group, together with the Philippine AFP's own helicopters, all of those assets are now moving resources from Tacloban out to multiple points. I think 16 or 18 different drop points yesterday and the same number today. So if you think of it as a hub and spoke arrangement, those are being pushed out, and then from those endpoints even more is being pushed out from there. I think we can say that there's good distribution now happening through many areas that may have not seen distribution before.
Bukod pa dito, nakikiisa na rin na maraming mamamayan ng Amerika sa pagboboluntaryo at pagbibigay ng mga donasyon para sa mga apektadong residente.
I'm also pleased to say that the American population, the civilian side, is also stepping up to the plate. We've seen great donations coming in from all different kinds of American organizations, NGOs, churches, etc., as well as PhilAms, of course, Filipino Americans, also joining the operation in the effort to try to provide support and assistance.
Magpapatuloy din daw ang pakikipag-ugnayan ng American government sa DSWD at AFP para sa maayos na pamamahagi ng relief goods sa ating mga kababayan. Samantala, lubos naman ang pasasalamat ng Pilipinas sa tulong at suportang ibinibigay ng gobyerno ng Amerika para sa agarang pagbibigay ng tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
We'd want to express our great appreciation to the very valuable assistance and support coming from the U.S. government, the Department of Defense, the U.S. Pacific Command. We have seen how our cooperation has translated into great service to our countrymen.
Based on a very long history of cooperation, we've been able to work together very seamlessly, and we have reaching that point where the combination of heavy airlift and light and medium airlift is such that we're able to move the necessary relief supplies as quickly as possible.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Dina Pagibitan.